हे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकास्तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to assembled devotees here. Aridin Asikoilo Ishara Darshan Prangana Nitya Gito Koilo Katakshan. When day of the Jagannath reached in Gundicha temple, that explanation I already described, that first time already described how Mahaprabhu used to, not used to, how Mahaprabhu used to spend whole day when Jagannath reached at Gundicha Mandir. 8 din means another day, next day. Mahaprabhu came, Koila Ishara Darshan. First he entered to view the Lord Jagannath. Prangana Nitya Gito Koila Katakshan. Prangan means, in a Jagannath temple, Prangan means just an empty courtyard. Koila Katakshan. Then he manifests Nitya Git, dancing and chanting. Bhaktagana Sange Prabhu Uddane Ashiya Vrindavana Bihar Kare Bhaktagana Laya. When devotee gathering, then Prabhu Uddane Asya, in the garden. Uddan means garden. Ishoddan. Ishoddan means garden for Lord. Similarly, Uddan, there is so many, that is considered like a Vrindavan. Vrindavan is forest with full of fragrance flowers like rose, tube rose. Do you like tube rose? Tube rose flower. Rose. Do you like? Nice fragrance, right? But in your country there is no fragrance, right?
They do.
Do? But I went there in Europe, but I also went to, I also saw so many flowers from California. There is no fragrance.
And the roses.
Yeah.
Maybe small fragrance because the soil is bad.
But anyway, there's Vrindavan fragrance you can see in the market when they're selling. Still, rose fragrance make you feel blissful. Right? Tube rose, very nice fragrance. Jasmine, such a nice fragrance. What Krishna like, Jagannath like, such type of fragrance, flower, garden. So Mahaprabhu brought all the devotees in that garden and make them feel like how Lord Krishna manifests first time with all the gopis, all the cowherd boys, such type of remembrance. He, in order to remember all those pastimes, he brought all the devotees in the middle of the garden situated near and inside Gundicha temple. Nowadays there is no garden, only garbage stuff there. Nowadays. But during the time of Lord Chaitanya, it was really attractive. Even nowadays you can see we are keeping jungle surrounding our house and buying chemical vegetables from market. This is comment by Madhava. This is true. Organic vegetables we can have. A little bit spend our time, whatever land exists surrounding us, we can make vegetables. We can get it, organic. Organic vegetables, organic brain, right?
Vishwambar Prabhu is a consultant. Vishwambar Prabhu is consultant for kitchen gardens, terrace gardens, balcony gardens, backyard gardens.
Yeah, there was a devotee from Bangalore named Vishwambar Prabhu. Company's name Nimai Organic.
He is a consultant.
He became consultant. Organic, kitchen garden,
Terrace
balcony garden, terrace garden.
Anywhere. Even like this.
So anyway, you can, if whoever listening, please search about Vishwambar Prabhu
Nimai Organics.
and Nimai Organic. Go to the website Nimai Organic, and then you can get it. Yeah. So anyway, at that time, devotee, they always make garden surrounding temples. But nowadays, we are making a restaurant surrounding temple. This is the difference. Why? Our understanding of devotional practice based on commercial understanding. Am I right, Devamai? You can see everybody keeping restaurant. Then whoever visitor come in the temple, they could have different South Indian, North Indian, what else? Bengalis, Gujaratis, Italian famous kitchen, pizza, pasta, that sort of kitchen you can see. Not kitchen, a restaurant instead of garden. So here we have to learn how we're supposed to keep surrounding temples. ভক্তগণের সঙ্গে প্রভু উদ্যানে আসিয়া বৃন্দাবন বিহার করে ভক্তগণ লইয়া, I already explained Vrindavana Bihar, how Lord Krishna used to make pastime in Vrindavan. Similar pastimes he is manifesting in the campus of Gundicha temple. Brikhobolli Prafulito Prabhura Darshane, in the vision, in devotional vision. Srila Vrindavan Das, Srila Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami Pad wrote, Vrikshavalli prafullita, all the trees become happy. Vrikshavalli prafullita prabhu radarshane. We know trees have no sensation. It's very, and there are 5 type of consciousness. Yeah? It's achadita chetan, covered consciousness. Covered consciousness. That is Bhiksha, means trees. Trees, he is feeling pain or not, are you able to understand? It's achadita, covered consciousness. Chetan is there, but covered. It is not possible to realize. Then, Sankuchita Chetan, tiny bit realization, like animals. Animal, you can see goat. You can see, especially in this marketplace. Nowadays, all marketplace have lots of meat shop, right? You can see so many goat, sheep, such type of animal. They are fighting just beside the meat shop, right? Fighting for little bit grasses. To whom they are fighting each other, one of them, the shopkeeper took in front of them the cut, and then you know what they're doing, selling the meat, right? They saw it, but still they're fighting for food. If this thing happened for us, are you able to do that? No need to, no appetite for food, right? Because we have Vikashita Chetan, means full consciousness. Therefore, but here, in front of Lord, Vriksha, whose consciousness is covered consciousness, Achadita Chetan, the Prafullita Prabhu Darshana. They become blissful just to see Lord Chaitanya is dancing under their shade. Under their shade, Lord, Supreme Lord, in the form of Lord Chaitanya, dancing. Therefore, those trees become blissful. I am such a fortunate Lord under my shade. If which room you are staying, Devamai, if Supreme Lord Chaitanya came to meet with you, came in your room, and I say, hey, Devamai, what you are doing? What you feel? Blissful, or you feel, oh, why you are disturbing me? How do you feel?
I would be amazed.
Yeah. Similarly, all the trees where Lord Chaitanya dancing, they feel something. Prafullita. Bhringapi gayak bhaye prabhe sitala pavane. Bhringa means, there's so many birds, so many type of, like a dragonfly,
Bees, bumblebees.
Bumblebee. No, dragonfly is another, hoarding. No. Bhramura, all those things. Dragonfly, they are flying. We don't like them. The bumblebees, then honeybees. This free have maybe some honeybees, honey hive there. All are all the living entities, they become happy that, and also God of air, Vayudev, Shital Pravane, they become happy and coming with breeze, cool breeze, you can say. So everybody happy. In actually fact is when Lord is there, then everybody should feel blissful. Like you say, if someone goes in your room all of a sudden without notice, you feel bad, right? But when Lord all of a sudden enter your room, what do you feel? So it means, should be blissful, right? Blissful means. Similarly, so Vayudev become happy, cool breeze, not cold breeze, cool breeze. Bumblebee, honeybees, black bees, whatever. Actually, whatever available in Jagannath Puri, surrounding Gundicha temples, all are become so happy. Blissfully they are flying here and there. প্রতিবিক্ষ তলে প্রভু করেন নর্তন, বাসুদেব দত্ত মাত্র করেন গায়ন. There is a devotee, Vasudev Datta, who composed very nice song. Jaya Jaya Jagannatha Sachiranandan. You know that song? You know that song?
Is Vasudev Ghosh.
Vasudev Ghosh.
This Mukunda Datta brother Vasudev Ghosh.
Vasudev Ghosh. Vasudev Datta. Yeah, Vasudev Datta lead the song. Datta Matra Kore no Gayan. Gayan means leading the song. And Mahaprabhu dancing under each tree. Sometime here, sometime there, sometime there. এক আগে বৃক্ষতলে এক এক গান গায়, each under one shade of trees, one song. Mahaprabhu dancing. Means actually Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami tried to explain, tried to make us understand that how the atmosphere was. Blissful atmosphere. এক এক প্রতিবৃক্ষ তলে প্রভু করেন নর্তন, এক এক বৃক্ষ তলে এক এক গান গায়. One under one tree, one song, Mahaprabhu dancing. Accordingly, Param Aveshe Eka Nache Gaura Rai. Param Aveshe, static manner, extremely ecstatic manner, Lord Chaitanya dancing with the rhythm of song. Like Madhava here. Madhava also dancing accordingly. Here, Madhava. He also dancing. Acha. তবে বক্রেশ্বরে প্রভু কহিলা নাচিতে, বক্রেশ্বর নাচে প্রভু লাগিলা গাইতে. All of a sudden, Bhakkeshwar Pandit, I already explained you about a few days ago, the Bhakkeshwar Pandit is such a personification, he can dance 72 hours constantly. If someone says dance 72 minutes for us, it is a challenge, right? But Bhakteshwar Pandit, 72 hours means 3 days constantly. So Prabhu ordered him, Bhakteshwar, dance, I will chant. Mahaprabhu chanting and Bhakteshwar Prabhu dancing. এক আগে বৃক্ষ তলায় নাচা করে তবে বক্রেশ্বরে প্রভু কহিলা নাচিতে চান ড্যান্স হ্যাঁ বক্রেশ্বর নাচে প্রভু লাগিলা গাইতে সো প্রভু গাইতে মিন্স প্রভু চান্টিং বক্রেশ্বর ড্যান্সিং অ্যাকর্ডিংলি প্রভু সঙ্গে স্বরূপাদি কীর্তনিয়া গায় Lord Chaitanya leading Kirtan, Sarup Damodar, all the other, they are following Prabhu's footsteps. They are also dubbing in that way. Actually, without dubbing, it is not possible to listen any devotional song, right? दिग विदिग नहीं ज्ञान प्रेमेरो बन्ना such a blissful atmosphere, loving atmosphere was there. Digvidig, no one able to realize what is going on. Means they are not able to feel. They are not feeling time, such a blissful. Therefore, we have to cultivate such type of blissful feelings in our consciousness during Sankirtan. During Sankirtan, when you cultivate such type of blissfulness, then you can say, I am really advancing my spiritual practice. Looks like we are looking on time. Okay, time finished. Let's go. But Lord Chaitanya never looked time. Bhakteshwar Pandit never looked time. Oh, this is the time for prasadam, let's go. So what happened? Everybody become blissful. Atmosphere, lovingly, love, so much love. Primero bunna, flood of love. Atmosphere like that. এই মতো কতক্ষণ করি বনলীলা নরেন্দ্র সরোবরে গেলা করিতে জল খেলা. After that, after the Bonolila means forest, means on under the tree they are dancing and chanting. After that they move to Narendra Sarovar, where Lord Jagannath manifesting boat pastimes. One of Jagannath's actual predominated deities, actually Radha Madan Mohan, not Jagannath going there personally, but that Madan Mohan deity is going there. I went there, several years. Whenever I went there, Bharati Maharaj, Bhaktivedanta Bharati Maharaj took me over there. Let's go. Then he used to say, Jagannath not here, but Jagannath is Pratimurti. Jagannath is predominating deities. Each Radha Madan Mohan, he will be here. Same dress, which color of outfit Jagannath wearing there, same dress should be here. Same food they are offering here. And I used to go that time, I was student. I was student there. And then he took me, he loved me so much. Even when I became Brahmachari, he also, because we have no temple there, I used to stay at Chaitanya Gaudiya Math. He also tell me, let's go. That time Maharaj have no assistants. Sometimes I used to be assistant, his assistant. He is not allowing me to bring his prasadam, not like that. Just like go any places, he ordered me to come with me. Let's go. In that way. So, that Narendra Sarovar. I also, whenever I used to stay there in Chaitanya Gaudiya Math, and whenever I get time, I used to come and take bath in Narendra Sarovar. Swimming in the Narendra Sarovar means lake. Jalokida kori puno aila uddane. Jalopida kori, after the water, after the pastimes, to take bath in the Narendra Sarovar. Again, they are coming back to Uddan, that garden. Bhojan lila koila prabhu loya bhakta gane. Bhojan lila means, we are famous for that. All temple, they have so much faith on prasadam. They have no faith on deities. They have no faith on program. You can see nowadays, if you make festival, if the Harikatha program maybe 50 people, but prasadam program, 5,000 people, not 500. There's a big queue. And they are fighting, oh, I want prasadam. This is the situation. This is good. Prasad Seva. But if we take prasadam with the understanding, with the realization of prasadam, then it can good. It can be best for our life. Prasad Seva, to honor prasadam, we can conquer material attachment. Prapancha jaya, sakala prapancha jaya. Prapancha means what? Material world we can conquer. Means no attachment for material world. But our understanding, we are trying to take rice, dal, puri, halwa, cake, pizza, pasta, what else? Paneer, matar paneer, such type of sabji. I can tell you one fact. It is fact, not story. When my spiritual master used to stay at Chaitanya Gaudiya Math, Calcutta, many devotees they are asking, because they used to come after their office hours, around 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 6 p.m. Lunch prasadam they want to take, little bit prasadam of our Gurudev. But I also was greedy. It's such a nice prasadam, every day Rajbhag prasad, one plate, coming to his room. Whatever left over, I just keep little bit and then take everything. Sometimes I never keep any leftover. Everything I take. Then they request me, they please keep something. We need the prasadam. Then one devotee's name is Jago Prabhu. He was too much shouting with me. Okay, from tomorrow I will keep for you. All prasadam, I will not take anything. I am not greedy for that. Although I was greedy. But anyway, I keeping as it is. Just transfer Gurudev plate to another plate. And keeping as it is, what Gurudev keeping leftover from each plate. I kept everything as it is. Then at the end of the day, I saw Pushpanno. You know Pushpanno? Pushpanno means very nice You can say English called fancy rice. Fancy rice. Yeah, fancy rice. You can say, right? Fancy rice is nice spices, paneer, raisin, cashew, such type of. Pushpanna finish, because Rajbhog every day is that. Pushpanna, Paramanna finish. Matar paneer sabji finish. Only left a dal, lafla and rice. Every day I have to take at the end of the day, before sleeping, this much quantity. I am not able to take dinner from whatever the preparation in the temple because I have to finish it. I cannot throw it. One day I felt disgusted. Then I said, okay, they say everything you have to keep. Then I mixed everything together. Corolla, in a butter melon. At night I should take everything I mixed together, keeping there. Same Jagaprabhu was angry. Hey, this is prasadam. Yes, it is prasadam. No, it is prasadam. Ajay, you told me, look, you told me keep everything there. I kept. Last several days I am taking at the end of the day, I say, bitter melon, dal, lafla means leafy type of mixed vegetables, and rice you are keeping. I am not able to take dinner, what I prepared in temple. So you say prasadam, I mix prasadam, everything together. No, don't give that. This is not prasadam. I want prasadam. Paramanna prasadam. Okay, I will keep prasadam. Okay, keep one bowl for all of us. We will take little bit. We don't want to take the prasadam. My question is this. If we have such understanding about prasadam, then we will not able to conquer the material attachment. This is we should cultivate our mind while we take prasadam. We will feel it is the mercy of Lord. Whatever, we have to take it with sound faith. Then, and feel it is Krishna's mercy, Radharani's mercy, coming down in the form of prasad. I am eating that. With such understanding, if we just crowd to take prasadam, then okay. But we are 50 people in Harikatha and 5,000 people in our temple like this. 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 people they are in the prasadam queue. Jagannath, no. Mayapur, Gaur Purnima festival. One day we make Navadvip Dham Parikrama feast on the day of Madhavendra Puripada's disappearance festival. Because on that day, my Gurudev took sannyas from Bhakti Gaura Vaikhanaj Goswami Maharaj. And also on that same day, we move our deity Radha Gopinath Gauru Gadadhar from one room to the new temple. When you make temple, move that. in that remembrance, we are making the feast on that day. So how many devotees, temple devotees? Our temple devotees 2,000. Chaitanya Gauriya Math temple devotees more than 3,000. Other part of the temples, they are also coming. We are not inviting all temple, selective of some temples, because Gaur Purnima time, so many, we are not able to maintain the crowd. Therefore, we just Chaitanya Gauriya Math, our temples, and Sri Chaitanya Gauriya Sevashram. You can see near ISKCON a small temple, Prafulla Maharaj temple. Sri Chaitanya Gauriya Sevashram, that temple. But they are from our home, no? Where I grew up in Calcutta, near Calcutta. They are also one of the ashram there. So I invite them. And also the founder of the Sevashram, he took sannyas initiation from my Gurudev, founder. He is not alive now. Therefore we invite them. There are almost 500 people all together. We started festival at 9 o'clock. 9 to 12, no one there. Only in front of us, maximum 100 devotees listening Harikatha. 9 o'clock I start Harikatha. About Madhavendra Puripada, glories, there's so much. But Prasadam time, as soon as 12, Prasadam Pandal, full of people, we have to control with security. Therefore I'm telling you that. I'm not just insulting you and all. Now I am explaining our present tendency, most of the devotees' tendency. They are not feeling Hari Katha, Hari Nam, Hari Sankirtan. Always Lord is there. Lord Chaitanya, few places always there. Raghav Pandit's house, Sachi Mata's courtyard, Nityananda's dancing, Nityananda Nortane, Sochira Angane, Raghav Pandit's place, Hari Sankirtan going on, Siva Sangam. Hari Sankirtan, you have to consider like a place of Siva Pandit. The Lord Chaitanya there. In Sankirtan you have to be there. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. How do you feel? But when Sankirtan going on, our Prabhu, Chandan Prabhu, playing video game. Yeah? Previously I do previously. এখন খেলো না
এখন ফাঁকা থাকলে বেঙ্গালুরু এখন
he admit that what I said. Before he used to do that, but now he is not doing. Actually it is our tendency nowadays. Because our energy, Mayadevi taking here and there, our energy. Why? Because Kali become fearful. Oh, look, people are chanting sincerely. You have to take the attention out of the Sankirtan. If they are too much in Sankirtan, then they will leave from us. Then our Maya, this material world will be completely free. Tin Juge, 3 age, golden age, silver age and copper age, Shatya, Treta, Dwapar, Tin Juge. There is Tin Kundo, Churashi Kundo Narok. Churashi Kundo Narok means 84 ditch. Narok means hell is ditch. Tin Jug, 3 age, 3 ditch, 3 big ditch, filled up with living entities. Left over 21. Kali Yug. In this Kali Yug, Iron Age, Mayadevi promised to God, I will fill 81 ditch, Akasi Kund, 81 Kund I will fill up. Just watch. Therefore, you can see nowadays our understanding of spiritual practice has become different. Who do you understand what I want to say? This is explained in Bhagavatam. 81 kund. It will filled up. Mayadevi promised to fill up 81 kund. So we are chanting, you can see different institutions were blaspheming amongst each other. And society, you know the consequence to blaspheme any Vaishnavas. What is that? If we commit offenses to the lotus feet of Guru and Vaishnava, what is the consequence? It's koti janmo korilo na paya Krishna charan. 10 million birth, if we have in human form and chanting Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, still we are not eligible to reach the lotus feet of Krishna. That is explained by Jagadananda Pandit in Prem Vivarta. Therefore,
when you hear a
we have to
notification
be
chime,
careful.
you can press and hold the
Kali
action
Yuga,
button to listen to the
Mayadevi
notification.
always nagging us, come to me, come to me, come to me. The Mayadevi one is WhatsApp Mayadevi, YouTube Mayadevi, one representative, one video game also.
Latest update.
Huh?
Latest update. Mayadevi.
A latest update, yeah. Mahadevi, I am always coming with 6 forms, calm, krodh, lobh, moha, lust, anger, greed, madness, bewildered, and enviousness. Plus, adding because it's the latest update. WhatsApp, YouTube, video game, Facebook. Then how many? 10 now. So 10 digit. Telephone also have become now 10 digit. Right? Now Mahadevi has 10 digit minimum. So this is the situation. Now, be careful. Whenever we read Lord Chaitanya's character, everywhere have some teachings that we have to understand. We have to understand why such manner described by Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Pad. There's some inner meaning. Jagannath Mahaprabhu Navadin Acham. Bhojan Lila Koila Prabhu Loya Bhakta Gane Acham. After the water playing in the Naranda Sarovar, again went back to the garden of Gundicha. Then started to Bhojan Lila, eating. Navadini Gundichate Rahe Jagannath. 9 days, Lord Jagannath in Gundicha temple. Mahaprabhu Ichi Lila Kore Bhakta Sham. And Lord Chaitanya 9 days manifests same pastimes every day. Jagannatha Vallabhanam Bala Pushparam. On the way from Nilachal to Sundarachal, there is a garden named Jagannath Vallabhuddhan. You can see where Raya Ramananda used to make, rehearsal for his drama, Jagannath Vallabh Natakam, with Devdasi, where Pradyumna Mishra came to meet with, according to the order of Lord Chaitanya, Pradyumna came to that, to meet with Raya Ramananda. Then doorkeeper of and we can say not doorkeeper. It is assistant of Ramananda. Let Pradyumna Mishra sit, wait for, because then Pradyumna Mishra ask him, what going on there inside? Then Pradyumna, then that assistant of Ramananda said, actually my Prabhu Raya Ramananda giving rehearsal to Devdasi, young girls, and preparing for the natak, from the drama. In this regard, he is massaging their sacred, private part, private part of woman, which he is actually massaging them. Then Pradyumna Mishra's eyes become so, Mahaprabhu sent me such type of nasty person. She went back to this Gambhira. And Mahaprabhu understand. Then Mahaprabhu said, as soon as he come back and trying to complain, and Mahaprabhu with grave voice answered, Ekela Raya Rai Ei Adhikar. Only Raya Ramananda is eligible to do that. We have to understand. Sometimes we are thinking according to our feeling. But we have to understand, devotees, what deservedness they are accumulating. What type of quality they accumulate through their spiritual practice. So, Navadin Gundicate Rahe Jagannath Mahaprabhu Aichelila Kare Bhakta Sad Jagannath Vallabha Namo Bala Pushparam. That Jagannath Vallabha garden, flower garden. Now there's too much mango trees, some other tree there. Maybe the funny typhoon, they're breaking all the, maybe, I don't know. I never been there this year because I was not there this year. Navadin Karen Prabhu Tahate Vishram. The 9 days, Lord Chaitanya taking rest over there. Where? Jagannath Vallabha. That place, very famous place. I think it is almost 1 hour speaking, right? Let him translate. When finish translation, if there time, you can speak. 105, 105, text number. 105. Remind me tomorrow.